In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use JungleScout's launch calculator to take your Amazon product launch to the next level. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to estimate how many units you'll need to sell, predict your product success, and ensure you're optimizing your product launch, this tool can be a game changer. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive way for you to access JungleScout for free with some special bonuses. You don't want to miss it. Let's dive right into how the launch calculator works. First off, when you open the tool, you'll see that it's designed to give you a quick estimation of the sales volume you'll need to hit specific goals for your product's success. Whether you're launching a new product or simply optimizing an existing one, this calculator helps you better understand your sales targets, inventory needs, and even what your first couple of months could look like on Amazon. To get started, you'll input your product details, like the sales price and product category, and JungleScout automatically pulls in data based on real Amazon listings. This takes a lot of guesswork out of the process, which is exactly what you need when launching a product on such a competitive platform. Now, here's the magic of the launch calculator. It uses real-time data to predict how many units you need to sell to hit specific ranks in Amazon's bestseller list. This is important because it helps you understand how competitive your niche is and the volume of sales necessary to make your product stand out. It gives you that initial clarity on the number of units you'll need to push per day to stay competitive. Another cool feature of the tool is the ability to adjust for your launch budget and see how that impacts your sales velocity. You can tweak your budget for ads, giveaways, and promotions, which is a crucial part of any product launch. JungleScout helps you visualize the impact of these changes, giving you a clear sense of what's possible within your budget constraints. Once you've entered your numbers, the tool will show you projections based on your goals. You'll get estimates on sales rank, inventory needs, and even sales velocity trends. This allows you to make data-driven decisions rather than relying on gut feeling or hoping for the best. Knowing your sales rank and inventory requirements up front can significantly reduce stress during your product launch. And here's a key tip. The more data you feed into JungleScout's launch calculator, the more accurate your results will be. Play around with different scenarios to see how changes in price or ad spend affect your overall sales. But that's not all. This tool also integrates seamlessly with JungleScout's other features. So if you're using their product tracker or keyword scout, the launch calculator will pull in the most relevant data to give you even more precise projections. This interconnectedness is one of the reasons JungleScout is such a powerful tool for Amazon sellers. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that if you're new to JungleScout or just want to give it a try, you can access the launch calculator, along with other powerful tools, through the link in the description below. And here's the best part. I've arranged an exclusive extended free trial just for you, so you can test out the full range of features without any commitments. Just click the link below and get started today. Using JungleScout's launch calculator is a smart way to maximize your Amazon success, and it's easy to see why it's trusted by successful sellers. Whether you're new to Amazon or a seasoned pro, this tool is designed to make your product launch smarter, not harder.